No bad vibes today. Only good vibes. Okay. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, today I'll be showing you guys my newly improved room that I did. Actually, I'm doing a room makeover, so I put some clips in there that I was doing and that I wanted to post. So if you're interested in watching this video, keep watching. If you're not interested, still keep watching because it's gonna be lit. Every little detail put down to the butterflies, I did that. Okay, down to the posters, I did that. Okay. Guys, this is the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post new videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.